Hi friends, my name is Stella and I'm from ACCT SIEC, and today I'm going to talk about the writing module for both the general and the academic IELTS. The most important struggle that students have is how to start the essay. So I'm going to talk about task 2 first in this video, and where I'm going to mention what exactly are the necessary criteria to start the essay. Most important is that we use words like in the modern era, in the 21st century, which actually is a very easy line to start with. But please avoid these lines because these are bookish material. Whatever the keyword is there in the essay, for example, if it's about crime or technology, please start it with that word if you don't have any other word. So remember, the starting line of the essay is the most important part because it helps the examiner to understand what kind of student you are, what level of student you are. The next part is recognition of essay. You have to see first whether the recognition of the essay is done properly, whether it is an agree-disagree essay or whether it is opinion-based essay. So don't forget, these are the 2 points that you must remember in your writing essays.